Okay, sino nakaisip nun?
Papa.
Ito po.
O bakit naman? Bakit naman Scorpion?
Kasi Scorpion kasi kami more on stunts. Si Scorpion, magaling siya mag-stunts.
Okay. Ayan, nabawasan pa daw kayo ng 2 members today. Paano yan? Paano nyo i-compensate ang pagkawala ng 2 members?
Nag-adjust po kami sa blocking, sa lahat. Pero sumabol po kami, mas gagalingan po namin ngayon.
O, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Ayan, good luck, Team Las Piñeras. The floor is ready.
Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Justin Timberlake, you watch this. This is the weekly finals. All our teams are good. And this is the pride of Las Piñas.
Yeah, right?
Eto na ang Team Las Piñeras. This is your moment.
This is the moment. This is it.
Baby, get over here. Check this out. Let's go. Let's go. Get back. Look at Thomas and Wicked. How low can you go? Let's go.
Work it. Baby, work it. You gotta lick it.
Oh, that's played out. Hit it.
You gotta lick it. It's on your chicken. You gotta get it something with so we can kick it. You gotta lick it. It's on your chicken. You gotta get it something with so we can kick it.
Yeah.
Wow! Para yung ibang number, yung buong dance number nyo, nag-iba lahat from beginning to end, tama?
Di ba lang po, pero possibly.
Oo, grabe. You know, after a while, yung mga tumbling, yung mga twisting and turning, it all looks the same. Pero yung ginawa nyo today, ibang-iba talaga, ibang level na to. Ayan, tanongin na muna natin si Tuesday.
Alright, weekend na Las Piñeras at napakasaya ng send-off niya sa ating weekend. Good job! Ang galing-galing ninyo! Ramdam ko na Friday na gimmick ako sa mga... Ano nangyayari kay Justin Timberlake?
Teka, ano na niya?
Ang pinaka-bisisira nila yung ako. Yari sa akin dyan.
Sobrang social na laglag talaga.
Justin, very sorry, the seat is, oh my God.
Justin, be careful.
Can we get a new chair for Justin?
Yeah, can I get a bigger chair?
Yeah, get him the nice chair. Okay, sit down first.
Okay, are you okay, Justin?
I'm okay.
Okay, international star, paupuin natin na maayos yan. Anyway, Las Piñeras, ayun, kagaya ng sinabi ko, napakahusay ninyo. Tama si Grace, ang inyong mga stunts ay napaka-solid. Make sure lang that when you land, ay ang inyong footing ay maayos. Kasi sayang naman kung masisira ang mga paa ninyo, ang gagaling nyo pa namang mga dancers. So, practicein nyo lang na pag nag-land kayo maayos. Okay, pero ang ganda-ganda ng sounds, ang dynamic ng mix ng music. Tanggalin nyo na yung ganun nyo sa mukha dahil hindi kayo makahinga, mahirap sumayaw ng hindi maganda ang paghinga. Lalo na kanina, di ba, nung towards the end, tinanggal nyo na. Hirap na kayo, no? O, buti nga sa inyo, nahirapan kayo. At dahil natuwa ako sa inyo, Team Las Piñeros, knock knock! Who's there? Las Piñeros!
Las Piñeros, who?
Ladies and gentlemen, George Michael. Nickler. Merry Christmas. Oh, put your hands together. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you'd fool me again. Las Piñeros, I gave you my heart. Good job!
Thank you so much, Tuesday. So sa'yo siya, no? Sweet, ha? Bentang-benta sa kanya. I wonder what Michelle o Bombshell
Sino yun?
thinks kung nanonood siya ngayon. Hi, Michelle. Eto na, si Sweet naman tanungin natin.
Sa sobrang pilit, natawa ko.
Pwede na yun.
Kaya nga pumasok.
Pasok yung pasok.
In fairness kay Tuesday, ha? In fairness sa'yo.
Para-paraan.
In fairness, nagustuhan ko yun. Ako ito, Day. Hindi mo to kakayanin. 7M's. Pinilit ko din.
Bata,
Ang
Ron.
comment ko dito sa Las Piñeros, ha?
7M's?
Bonggang-bongga. In fairness sa grupong to. Una, gusto ko yung letter M, Mortal Kombat, yung kanilang costume. I love it. Pangalawa, ano ito? Ito ba, hindi ko mabasa yung sarili kong sulat, ha? In
Akala ko Tenny sa bala, hindi na to
Oo.
sulat.
Ang taray, mabango, ayun pala yun.
Oo, amoy mabango.
Ayun, mahusay, maangas, masaya, muwis buhay.
Pero.
Diba? Oo. Yung step nila kanina doon sa likit, maklang-makla.
Ay, nakakaloka.
Congratulations.
Mga
I
mudras.
love it. Romaklus.
Thank you, Sweet. At ito na ang international guest natin today, si Justin Timberlake.
Yeah, good morning, people of the world. Thank you for inviting me here to Jets, the living and the dead. Team Las Piñeros, I like the way you move. You're a synchro bear. Synchro bear meaning synchronized move of very little things. Synchro bear. I like the one that make tumbling that almost hit my head. Who's that guy? Who's that? You? Come on, can you try it now? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Yeah, here.
What's happening?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. You almost hit me. I like you, and you always stink me. Kick me. Don't bother me. I'm not your brother. I'm not your sister. But I like the way you move, the way you dance, and the way you clap your hands. I just want to tell you that Justin Timberlake is my Timberlake is my surname, and I like it.
Justin.
Okay.
Justin.
Justin, over here.
We'd like to introduce to you our other co-host from Korea,
Miss Grace Lee. Hello, Justin.
Can you hug me, please?
Can you send ours? Of course. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome. Welcome.
Okay. Combat. I like to give the meaning in every letter of the combat.
Wow.
Yeah, combat. Combination of many best amazing tomorrow. Combat.
Aba naman.
Yung combination, yung combat, yung Mortal Kombat, di ba? Ito, parang masabi.
Pinilit yung tomorrow.
Hindi niya tayo naiintindihan English na naiintindihan. Pangit na ginawa mo.
What?
Please, more tama!
Justin Timberlake, can you say this like I do? Tama. 1, 2, 3, go.
Correct!
No! Ano yun? Is that Tagalog? Nakakaloka. Nakakaintindi pa na ito ng Tagalog. Kaya kasi sinabi ko tama, sabi niya correct. Nagta-translate pa. Ang galing talaga yung Justin Timberlake. Salmon era, back to you guys.
People of the world, alam namin magandang labanan at ang criteria natin for judging for This Is Ayaw Remix. 50% performance level at 50% entertainment value for a total of 100%.
Ayan, dahil gusto ni Justin Timberlake, ito ang tama! Ito na, ang second weekly finalist natin. Ito na.